Let's be honest, if you've ever furnished a room on a budget, you definitely know the mom dresser. It's a total IKEA legend. But that legend, well, it's about to be retired. So today, we're going to dig into a huge shift happening in the IKEA universe. The mom is being replaced, and the reason why is probably more important than you think.
That's right. I mean, for so many of us, the MALM has been the go-to bedroom piece. But yeah, after all those years as an absolute bestseller, it's officially on its way out.
So you gotta ask, why would IKEA get rid of one of its most popular products ever? Well, the answer actually tells us a lot about the changing priorities in how we design our homes, especially when it comes to safety. So let's break it all down.
Okay, so first up, yeah, it's kind of the end of an era, right? That clean, simple style made the MALM series a staple in bedrooms for years. But as we're about to see, design standards, they're evolving.
And it's official. The source material puts it plainly. The replacement is called STORKLINTA. And IKEA's whole angle here is that it's a safer alternative. And that one word safer, that's the key to this whole story.
So what's really behind this big switch? It all boils down to one huge thing: safety. IKEA is basically getting ahead of stricter rules about furniture tipping over, which is a massive deal, especially if you have kids at home. So here's where the big change is, like mechanically speaking. With a MALM, you can pull out every single drawer at the same time. And when you do that, it can get super top-heavy, and that creates a real tip-over risk. The STORKLINTA, it's literally designed so that can't happen. And how do they do that? With this new drawer-locking mechanism. It's actually a pretty simple but really clever idea. By only letting you open one drawer at a time, it keeps the whole thing stable. It keeps the center of gravity where it should be. And that drastically cuts down the risk of it tipping over. So picture this. You pull one drawer open, and boom, the other ones stay locked tight. If you want to open a different drawer, you've just got to close that first one. That's it. It's a tiny change in how you use it, but it's a massive upgrade for safety. Of course, a new safety feature like this doesn't come without a trade-off. And this brings us to the big question for anyone who's actually thinking about buying one: the difference in size and, more importantly, storage space.
Okay, so let's get into the numbers. If you look at the 6-drawer models side by side, the STORKLINTA is a bit slimmer and not as wide as the MALM. The drawers on the inside are also a little smaller, and that's to make room for that locking mechanism. So what does that actually mean for all your stuff? You're looking at a difference of 2.1 cubic feet in total storage. And to give you an idea of what that actually looks like, that's pretty much the size of a standard carry-on suitcase. So yeah, you are giving up a noticeable chunk of space for that extra safety. And this chart really puts it into perspective. You can see the MALM clocks in at 10.5 cubic feet of storage, the STORKLINTA 8.4. So look, if getting the absolute most storage for your money is your number one priority, the old MALM is still the champ. But what about the way it looks? I mean, IKEA's smart, right? They're not going to completely change a look that everyone loves. So the STORKLINTA keeps that classic, clean, Scandi vibe, but they've given it a few nice little modern touches. And these changes are pretty subtle, but they make a difference. On some versions, you'll get a more visible wood grain texture. The drawer fronts are just a little bit thinner, which gives it a sleeker look, and it's got this modern matte finish. And of course, it's going to come in those classic IKEA colors we all know: white, black, brown, and that oak effect. All right, so let's bring it all home. What do we got? We've got the new kid on the block, STORKLINTA. That's all about safety and has a slightly smaller footprint. And then you have the old classic MALM, which is still the king of storage. So how do you choose? It really just depends on what's most important to you. If you're all about peace of mind, especially with kids around, or maybe you're just working with a tighter space, STORKLINTA is the obvious choice. But if you absolutely need every last square inch of storage you can get, and you've got the room for it, and of course you're going to anchor it to the wall properly, then yeah, the classic MALM still has a lot to offer. So this really leaves us with a big question, doesn't it? As safety standards keep evolving, we all have to ask ourselves, in today's home, what do we value more? Is it about getting the absolute maximum amount of space, or is it about having that maximum safety and peace of mind? It's a trade-off that we're all going to be making a lot more in the future.